in this question he is saying that a human eye has an approximate angular resolution of 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 radians, and a typical photo printer prints a minimum of 300 dpi, means dots per inch, and 1 inch is given equal to 2.54 centimeter. Now he is asking that at what minimal distance, say z, should a printed page be held so that one does not see the individual dots. Clear? So basically you have to first understand the question. You might have seen the printed flexes or have a close look at the printed pages from a photo printer. You will see that the given image is printed or is comprised of very fine dots. It is a group of very fine dots which are so spaced together that if you have a specific distance away from these dots are not seen as separate dots. They give you a combined effect. They give you a combined color effect. Clear? So he is asking the question in that reference. He is saying that our photo printer prints 300 dpi. Or you can also experience this terminology from a printer in which the printer window asks that in what resolution do you want to print the picture. So from there you can also see that there are different options: 300 dpi, 600 dpi, 1200 dpi. So as the number of dots per inch increases, more crispier and more clear and better picture will be there. Clear? So here in this question he is saying that there are 300 dpi's, means dots per inch. So first of all we will find out that what is the gap between two successive dots. So there are 300 dots over an inch, and the inch is 2.54. So over that 2.54 centimeter we have 300 dots. So the gap between these two dots, here I am denoting it by y, and that comes out to be 0.84 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter. Now it is given that angular resolution is this much. Now angular resolution or angle of resolution is the angle at which our eye is just able to resolve these two objects which are otherwise very close to each other. Clear? So we here find the critical distance. He is asking for the minimal distance. So this is the critical distance of the eye from these dots, or these dots are on the page. So this is the distance from the page at which the eyes are just able to resolve. Clear? Just able to resolve these two dots. So it's simple that this angle phi is equal to y by z, or you can write z is equal to y by phi. So y we have already calculated, phi it is given. So from here we find that the distance is 14.5 centimeter. So if you keep this page at a minimum distance of 14.5 centimeter, you will not be able to see these two dots as different dots, or you can say just you are able to see them as two different dots. If you increase this distance z, you will not be able to resolve these two dots. Clear? And you will see a continuous you can say patch of the printed material. So the distance should be this much, that is 14.5 centimeter.